It is a proud day for Barry. We have here an interdisciplinary, interprofessional disaster management exercise that is bringing in all the pillars of all the health professions under the College of Health Professions and Medical Sciences. We have students and faculty from the School of Podiatric Medicine, Foot and Ankle Surgery, School of Nursing, School of Mental Health and Social Work, Physician Assistant Program, the Academy of Emergency Management Services, the Program of Occupational Therapy, Sports and Exercise Sciences, and Clinical Laboratory Sciences. All you have here, all the students and faculty coming in together into an interdisciplinary world, which is the real world of healthcare. This is healthcare ecosystem. We are training our next generation of healthcare providers to be ready for the complexity of treating our communities, our patients, both locally, statewide, nationally, and even internationally. It is a very proud day, and as an executive dean, I am very proud to see and witness all these different health professions coming together for one purpose, for one passion, and for one intention: to be ready to take care of our communities and our patients that are in need. It is very important to expose our students to hands-on. We know that every school, they have the book knowledge, they have the didactic knowledge. They also do simulations individually in their units, but to bring them together in a real life disaster, in a real life environment, it is very important. This gives them empowerment, it gives them authority, and it gives them support to be ready to go out there and work in the world of healthcare.